Good morning, students. Today our second lesson, science year 5, just in the same unit 1, same topic, but today we are going to look into the investigation of distance traveled by a paper plane. Okay, you can refer to your textbook to page 6 and 7. So in the previous lesson I asked all of you to design a paper plane, follow the steps how Anna folded her paper plane from the page 2 of the textbook, and many of you have designed your paper plane. These are some of the examples. Very good. So let's move on to our investigation. The aim of our investigation today is to investigate the relationship between the length of the stretched rubber band and the distance traveled by a paper plane. Okay, the materials, please prepare these materials: measuring tape, stapler, paper plane, paper clip, wooden pencil and rubber band. Okay, let's look into steps. First, prepare a paper clip. Next, place the paper clip at the front part of the paper plane like this. Third, staple the paper clip so that it does not fall off. Number 4, fasten the rubber band to the paper clip and pencil. Okay. Next, stand at the starting point and stretch the rubber band for 10 cm. You can get a help from another person to measure the 10 cm distance from the hand to the pencil, and release the paper plane and observe its movements. Next, measure the distance traveled by the paper plane from the starting point. Okay, you have to measure from the starting point to the place where the paper plane has landed. Next, repeat the steps 4 to step 7 by stretching the rubber band for 20 cm and also 30 cm. So you have 3 measurements. First, you have to stretch for 10 cm, second 20 cm, and lastly 30 cm. So I want you to draw this table in your book, exercise book, and fill in the distance traveled by the paper plane in centimeter, as well as I want you to answer the questions given from A to F. Read the questions carefully, look back into the investigation and the results, and answer the questions properly. So I hope all of you can do this task. Hereby I attached sample answer for all the questions, just in case you need some reference, since this is the first investigation that we are doing for the year. So A, state your observation when the rubber band was stretched for 30 cm. The observation was the distance traveled by the paper plane with the length of stretched rubber band 30 cm will be the furthest compared to the 20 cm and 10 cm. So this should be the observation. Give your inference. This is because longer length of stretched rubber band will produce bigger elastic force, okay, to make the paper plane travel further. And let us look into the variables. In this investigation, the manipulated variable will be the length of the stretched rubber band in centimeter. Responding variable should be distance traveled by the paper plane in centimeter. And constant variable, as we discussed in the previous lesson, should be the type, size and the thickness of the paper. D, what relationship between the manipulated variable and the responding variable? The relationship is, as the length of the stretched rubber band increases, the distance traveled by the paper plane increases. Okay, sorry, I have wrongly written here place. Next, give the operational definition for the distance traveled by the paper plane. Okay, the operation definition for the distance traveled by the paper plane is the length of stretched rubber band. Last, the conclusion for this investigation is the longer the length of stretched rubber band, the further distance traveled by the paper plane. Okay, these simple answers are just as reference. You may have your own answers. Your answers shouldn't doesn't mean that must be same with teacher. You can have your own answer. So once you have completed the task, you can send it to me. I will check and respond to you. Okay, thank you.